which number has the smallest value? Now let's write them out, and then we can 98 1.00. Now obviously on the actual exam you can write on the paper yourself, can't you? But here I need to write it up. 0.5. First thing we're going to do is make them all to 2 decimal places. You can't compare a bacon sandwich with a Christmas pudding because they're both lovely, but you can compare 2 Christmas puddings, or you can compare 2 bacon sandwiches. So we have to make it all the same. So we're going to do it to 2 decimal places. And it says which has the smallest value. Well, these are all less than, we're going to make it into money because money feels more easy somehow, doesn't it? We're all a little bit more familiar with that. So that's £1 and that's £1. So now we want to get the smallest number of pence. 98 pence, 50 pence. So the answer is 0.01, which is D.